Okay, so good evening, guys. I'm just going to tell you about the mistakes that we do while we're trading. I see there are lots of people, trust me, when I say lots of people, every trader once who gets into the market initial days, they either want to earn money or they either want to make money right away. They want to earn. They want to. Yes, that you need that. Enthusiasm to make money. But trust me, this is market. You're putting your money, into the market, which you'll be working on probabilities, especially only on probabilities. So, when you put your money, I want you to study it. You're starting a business doesn't mean that you'll just go, start a business. You'll do some homework before starting a business. So you need to do some homework before starting a business. How do you do it? Price action. Yes, you don't need support and resistance right away. First, you need to know what price action is. What are the formats of price action is. So in my indicator, I have already given you a clear uh, uh, bars of what are the bars that you can rely on. What are the bars that you can depend on. So I'm going to activate those bars initially. These are the bars, maximum of reversal bars. These are the so you can see that at this point, once okay, so the mistakes. I'm talking about the mistakes. I'll talk about the mistakes later. First, I'm telling you the price action. Okay, so the mistakes that you do come out of these, if you don't know these price action bars. So you can see here, you can see at this point. Let me draw a line. You can see at this point a red candle. Okay, this is an initial, and the price started coming down. See, the price started coming down. So this is a bearish engulfing candle, and this is where I have drawn a line along that price. So next, when the price went up, if I see another bearish candle and a following candle, yes, I will enter a trade right here. So this is one scenario. Now we need confluence. What is confluence? Confluence means a combination of possibilities. Sorry, a combination of possibilities to identify a trade. So what is it? So the price here started, moving like this. So how many times did this price respect this level? How many times did the price respect this level? This is what we need to see. There you go. From this point, this whole move based on this touchdown here. So how many times did the price respect this area? I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for you guys. So this is one, this is two, this is three. You can even consider this one. So every time price touching this line, it is reversing. But once you saw it reversed here at this level, and right away it reversed here. And we saw this is my personal setup that I have given. So this is my stop loss. This line will be my stop loss, and you can see that I have clearly given if this bar closes, if a bar closes above this line, railway track is invalid, and interestingly, you will see a very good up move. This is my setup, my personal setup that I use. So this is my third, confirmation. This is my third confirmation. So every time the price is moving up, but what happened here? What happened here? It broke. It broke that line. It broke that line, and it gave a nice confirmation candle. So this will be my entry. And what is my stop loss? Yesterday I did give for Thursday I did give you know an area here which I said this line here, this particular area here is going to work as support. So yes, price tested, this is where your exit is. This should be your exit, and this being your entry. Okay, so now we will check what is your stop loss. What is your stop loss? So when it comes to stop loss, you have taken a trade here. Your stop loss is this level here. You can take that level. I know it's not conservative, but that's how I trade because I have tested that kind of pattern for a very long time, and that is how it goes. So here, what is the trade? The trade is 36,773 is your entry, or else you can even enter once you see a little bit of retesting point here, and your exit is 825. 73 to 25. That is somewhere around 50 points, which is 25 to 30 points in options. Okay. So what is your target? Your target is 656, or I should say this is, you can check the previous days levels I have given from this point to this point. So anywhere in that point you can exit. So let's take this one. Okay. So the risk is 52 and reward is 107, somewhere around 773 to 665, 100 points. So 1 is to 2. Yes, we are good to take this trade. And this would have been a very good trade if at all you have traded that one. So now we have got how many confirmations to take this trade? Okay. One, one, this area being, this area started acting as resistance. How did we confirm? Resistance, resistance. Okay, two times it acted as resistance. So can we take that area as resistance just by two confirmations? I'll say you can just go back. Give me a second. Let me close this one. You just can go back and see, is this area working as resistance? Yes, it can work as resistance. There you see, there you see, there is a possibility that that area can work as resistance. Resistance, resistance. Okay, resistance, this area here. Okay, and it even worked as support at this point. So yes, that area has a possibility of working as resistance. So we have taken that trade on that possibility. And what is the second possibility? We have this bearish engulfing candle forming at that level with a confirmation of a black candle, and then retested that same level here and then came down. What I would say with a little bit of experienced people here, what I would tell them is you can even take at this point itself before even this candle breaks. Only the experienced people, because they will get to know the movement. Okay, so not everyone. Now that is the second, bearish engulfing, confirmation, retest. Yes, second. And third, a trend line breakout. Three confirmations for us, three confirmations. Okay, and there is a fourth confirmation as well, which I have uh, mentioned it in yesterday's video that I have shared in the Telegram channel. So now, what are the mistakes that you would be doing? Okay, the mistakes that you would be doing are very silly. Yes, it is very silly. I have seen people doing that. Even I did that when initial days of my trading. So now you have seen a reversal at trend line, at support. This area was support, and here you saw a nice bullish candle at the support zone, and you have taken a trade here at this level. You have taken a trade at this level. At this candle you have taken a trade. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, at this level you have taken a trade, and once you have taken a trade here, the first candle went up and the second candle came down. It's not clear. The first candle went up here, you have taken a trade here, first candle, second candle, you will exit at this point, thinking that the price is coming down. You don't want to lose. Okay, and you'll exit at that point. And now, again, when you saw the price moving away, You will again enter here. But trust me, this is the candle that gives you, profits. Neither this one nor this one. Yeah, this might give like 10 or 15 points, but not this one. This is the candle. This is the major candle. Okay, give me a second. Let me blow it up a little bit. Okay, so now you'll exit at this level. You'll exit at this level. You will be taking a trade here. You saw this video, you're very much confident, and you will take a trade somewhere, on this candle, seeing this support area, a trend line being pushed up, and yes, you will enter a trade here, this being your stop loss or this being your stop loss, you know, and once you see positive, a positive bar, you'll be happy, and once you see a negative bar, you'll be sad, and you'll exit at this point thinking that the price might come down. This is the mistake that you do. Trade with one lot. Doesn't matter your capital. Trade with one lot until you're too confident on your move. As you exit on this candle, you'll be exiting at this candle, and the next candle pushes up. And trust me, guys, this is the candle that gives you money. This is the candle that gives you your profits. Obviously, you missed it, and what you'll be doing, you'll be you'll be entering again at this level. That means even if you're trading with one lot, you're giving your broker for two orders, buy and sell. That's somewhere around 115 rupees, free of cost. I don't know how much you'll be earning in this candle, probably 10 rupees. And obviously, once you see being this candle being positive and this one coming this far down, you will exit here again. So overall, how much move did you miss? You entered at the right spot, that is 36,760. You were there at 36,860 as well, 857, which is 100 point. You're still in the trade. Doesn't matter if you entered once or twice, yet you couldn't make money. There is no way that you can make money. Yes, the people who make money are the one who enters here at this level, or even the patience guy will and wait for a little bit of retrace and enter at this point, probably if there are any, enter at this point, and this being their stop loss, hardly how many points? This is 760 and this is 760 point, that is 30 point stop loss. Okay, 30 point stop loss. But you have seen it every time the price pushes away from this trend line, it's not coming down. So your stop loss is safe. So now, once they enter here, they will exit after they make their 50 point, because this is a retracement trade. You won't believe me? Let me show you. This is a retracement trade. See, this is a retracement trade. The price is retracing from 111 EMA to 9 EMA, or you can even go low to identify that. There you go. There you go. Retracement trade. Just use this, you know, now it will be clear. There you go. It's just a merry retracement. There you go. We don't know how far it might go. We are not, we are not sure. So, give me a second. So, that retracement, if the EMS are not giving you, good information, simply use the high and low of that impulse move, and you see this is the 0.5% retrace to 0.618 retrace. So the price absolutely stopped here. We are pretty much sure that price retraces maximum of 0.618 on an average. Maximum average is 0.5 to 0.68. So we will exit here at this level. This is a retracement trade. So now, the second mistake that most of the people do is, revenge trading. Yes, they didn't make money here, so they will see a bearish candle, They will see a bearish candle and they will enter here. They'll recover a little bit in this one, maybe 5 to 6 rupees or something, and they will lose 10 to 12 rupees here. They're not sure what they're doing. They just need to get into the trade and recover all that money they have lost. It doesn't work like that. So I request you guys, this is the first mistake that everyone does. Most of the people does. Aggressive trading and unnecessary entries. You need to have at least two to three reasons to get into a trade. Have a good reason to enter a trade. So now, tomorrow, once you see price opening somewhere around the, it might open, positive, negative, or um, you can even say flat. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter where the price opens. You need to have your strategy. You have a resistance here, you have a support here. Let's see how many people will wait for the price to reach either support or resistance. This is the only task for you on Monday, so that you can control your urge to get into the trade. So this is the first mistake that you guys do. So from this week onwards, I'm going to post one mistake and one solution for that one mistake and a solution for that mistake. So I hope you can understand what I'm saying. If you can't, I can even talk in Hindi, but there are people from all around India, so not everyone can follow Hindi. So I hope you guys, I hope you guys can understand this. Thank you, guys.